8:30 alarm doesn't wake you up, it puts you on trial. Every morning it asks the same question. Are you in control or are you still hiding? For years, you've shadowboxed the snooze button. Same excuses, same soft outcomes, same promise that you'll start Monday. But today, there's no negotiation. You don't hype yourself up. You don't argue. You sit up. And in that quiet movement, you stop being a passenger in your own life. This is day one. And yes, it's going to hurt. The first 48 hours feel like atmospheric re-entry. Your body is dense, heavy. Your brain is wrapped in fog, repeating the same pathetic question. Why are we doing this? Every cell wants the warmth, the safety, the comfortable lie of the sheets. You don't listen. You move anyway. When that first slice of morning light hits your eyes, this isn't poetry. It's programming. You're wiring your biology for dominance. You're telling your nervous system the hunt starts now. Cortisol rises, not from panic or caffeine addiction, but from decisive action. By day 3, the misery doesn't motivate you anymore. It disappears. What replaces it is colder, sharper. This isn't motivation. This is control. Circadian control. Then comes day 6. Rain, gray skies, cold wind. The perfect excuse. The old version of you would have folded. The new version understands something most people never learn. Photons don't care about clouds. Light is light. You finish the workout soaked, shivering, and charged. That's the moment you cross the real line. You're no longer a fair-weather athlete. You didn't just train. You upgraded your identity. Your face tightens. The puffiness drains away. Your metabolism flips a switch. Fat becomes fuel. Stress hits in the afternoon. And for the first time, you don't spiral. You don't panic. You handle it. This is the omega effect. While the rest of the world is slamming their third overpriced coffee, riding spikes and crashes, you're stable. Dangerous in your consistency. Around day 13, the afternoon slump dies. Completely. Your energy becomes a flat, powerful line. People start watching you differently. They see the glow. They don't see the mornings. You look different, they say. You smile. You don't explain the deal you made with the dawn. By week 3, movement isn't optional. It's a requirement. Like breathing. You didn't just fix your body. You fixed your will. While the world sleeps through their potential, you've already won the day before 9 a.m. Then day 30 arrives. You wake up before the alarm. Calm, alert. You look in the mirror. Same face. But there's something else behind the eyes. Presence, weight, authority. You remember the version of you that feared the cold, the dark, the discomfort. That person doesn't exist anymore. Your phone buzzes. Someone noticed. They want the secret. You reply, tomorrow, 6 a.m. Be there, and don't expect it to be easy. Because 30 days wasn't the finish line. It was the entry fee. This is Omega Body. Discipline creates freedom, and the day starts when you decide it does.